In this tutorial, we will look at how to grant scheduling privileges to other Zoom Pro users within the same organization so that they can set up meetings on your behalf. This will become particularly useful when an instructor has a learning technologies coach assigned to the course and wants them to be able to schedule Zoom meetings that reflect the class schedule, office hours, and so on. So we start by logging into the instructor's Pro account on Zoom. Then we go to Meeting Settings, click on Other, and this area here under Scheduling Privilege, we can add or assign other users and give them scheduling rights on your behalf. So to do that, we click on the plus arrow. Now I'll enter in So in this case, I've entered the email address for the learning technologies coaches in social work, and I click Assign. Now, if I collapse this window a little bit, on the right-hand side, you'll see that I'm logged into the Learning Technology Coach account in Zoom. And if I click on Meeting Settings, what you'll notice here is that in this area, there isn't that other option because the window is smaller. So you might notice that on some of your on computer screens if you're using a laptop, for instance. But if I scroll to the bottom, this is that other section, and scheduling privileges are here. And we'll see that I can schedule for this social work ID account. So now, in order to actually schedule something for someone else, we remain in the Learning Technologies account, and I go to Meetings. I can schedule a new meeting, and I would put in the information as I usually would. But down here under Advanced Options, I can schedule this meeting for the instructor account for social work. So I would click on that and enter in the rest of the information as I usually would. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've created a meeting for the ID social work account. And if we go back to this account here and click on meetings, we'll see that that's been scheduled on the behalf of this instructor account. And just one important point before we wrap up this session. So to recap, from the Learning Technologies Coach account that you see on the right-hand side, we created an event on behalf of the Social Work Instructors account, which is the ID Social Work account in Zoom. And now if we go to Zoom, and you can see that I'm in the Learning Technologies Coach Social Work account, and I go to Meetings, and I select a test meeting that I created here. So if I log in and I go to participants, because I'm the first person to log in, I'm automatically granted those host privileges. And now we'll see that the social work instructor's account logs in, and this account is not granted the host privileges. And so what I'd want to do here, if I need them to be the host or the co-host, is I would go to More, and I would either make them the host or make them a co-host.